right, y'all, we doing another unboxing just for me, but these came from my wife, not from, well, she might have got them from Jordan, I'm not for sure. Did you get them from Jordan?
Yeah, I'm friends with Jordan.
Oh, okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah, I reached out to him personally.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, had them made for you.
That's cool. Okay, let's see what we got. We got the Nike, OG Nike Bucks.
You know, he even signed the back of it, but y'all not gonna see that. I made sure Jordan signed the back of the box, y'all.
We got the nines. This is my, I think this is my first, this might be my first pair of nines in like 10 years. And she heard me on the phone say I want them. And she snuck on the Nike app and got them for me.
No, I got them from Jordan.
Oh, okay.
Directly.
She got them from Jordan directly. She trying to be like me. But y'all see the 23, the pan leather. Whew. Oh boy. The sock in there. Yeah. So we in there. Man, I might have to throw these on tomorrow. Y'all know how it go.